Happy June, you all. This is Zelda Sheldon with Nashville Real Estate Rockstars at Benchmark, and I'm underneath one of the beautiful trees, one of the many beautiful trees of this great property that is coming soon. It'll be on the market, ready for you to purchase on June 28, Sunday, June 28. Let me tell you a little bit about this property. It's got so many beautiful trees. It's 1909 Demarius Drive in Inglewood, one of the best suburbs in Nashville. I should know because I live there. And this is a 1955 original, all brick, 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom, unrenovated. So it's all in original condition, well-maintained original condition. 1,381 square feet. The lot is 80 foot by 210, and that makes it about like 24,000 square feet. It overlooks a beautiful nature reserve. It used to be a horse riding academy. So it's got a fantastic outlook, surrounded by trees. The birds here are beautiful. There's cardinals, bluebirds, woodpeckers, little red birds. It's fantastic. Now they've got little bird houses that have got little bluebird eggs in them. They've even got a bat house. Huh, can you believe it? So anyway, I just know that this house is just going to be just so treasured by whoever buys this house. It's a great neighborhood, great condition house. The roof's only 8 years old, so lots more life in that roof. So reach out to me if you're interested in coming to visit this house. It'll be open 2 to 4 p.m. on Sunday, June 28. You don't want to miss out on this one. So if you're an investor wanting to know about it, or a first-time home buyer, reach out to me if you're interested. All right, I could talk all day about this house, but anyway, I'm signing off now. Zelda at Nashville Real Estate Rockstars at Benchmark, wishing you peace, love, and real estate.